Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to book a round trip in Uber. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, you'll want to open the Uber app on your phone. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top of the screen where you'll see the search bar. Go ahead and tap on it to begin setting up your trip details. Now, at this point, you'll notice an option that says search in a different city. Tap on that option, and from the list that appears, select the city where you want to book your round trip. This is useful if you're planning ahead for a trip in another location or if you're currently not in the city where you need the ride. After selecting your city, it's time to input your pickup location. Type in the address or the place name where you want the Uber to pick you up. This will be the starting point of your round trip, so make sure it's accurate. Once you've entered your pickup location, look over to the right side of the screen. You'll see a small plus icon next to your destination field. Tap on that plus icon. This action will open up an add stop field, which is the key feature that allows you to create a round trip instead of a simple one-way ride. Now that the add stop field has appeared, click on it and enter your drop-off location. This is where you want to go before returning back to your starting point. It could be a restaurant, a store, or any destination you need to visit. After entering your drop-off location, you'll notice another add stop option appears below. Tap on that second add stop button. Here's where the round trip becomes complete. In this new field, input your original pickup location again. By doing this, you're telling Uber to take you back to where you started, which effectively creates a full round trip route. Once you've entered all three locations, your pickup, your destination, and your return to the pickup spot, tap the done button to confirm your route. Uber will now understand that you need a round trip and will calculate the fare accordingly. Next, you'll be taken to the ride options screen. Here you can choose your preferred gathering option. For most standard trips, UberX works perfectly fine. Select UberX or whichever ride type fits your needs and budget. Finally, the app will ask you to confirm your pickup location one last time. Double check that everything looks correct, and once you're satisfied, confirm your pickup, and that's it. You've successfully booked a round trip in Uber, and the driver will take you to your destination and bring you back to your starting point. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.